Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this simple tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can style your custom console messages. Probably you've ever seen this on the internet. Yeah, it's on Facebook. And what Facebook uses this feature for, it alerts you or informs you about the dangerous activities that may happen to your account. Let's say you may go to a certain website and somebody is telling you, inject this code in your console message, you get free access to some free coupon codes on Facebook for ads, stuff like that. But in the other way, they may be trying to hack your account. So the moment you press Ctrl Shift I or Command Shift I or right click in the browser and go to inspect, you get access to this console area. So press Ctrl Shift I, you'll be brought to this console area. So ignore these, they are from the live server extension that I have in VS Code. So you land to this area and somebody may tell you, yeah, inject this code here when you're logged in on Facebook and you get access to a certain feature. So what Facebook does, it puts a custom message immediately you open this console, so alerting you, stop, please, this browser feature is intended to developers or for developers only. So if in case somebody lied to you that you enable a certain feature on Facebook, they are lying, they are trying to hack your account. Then visit this for more. So we are going to create a similar custom message. Let's say you want to show it to your users or visitors that visit your website. So that's what we are going to do. I'm going to use one document here, so I'm just going to put internal script tags. So we are going to create our script tag here. Oh, script. I can't type. Whoa. So we are writing our custom script tags here. And the first thing that we are going to do, we are going to declare variables. So the first variable, you can use const var let. So let's use var the old ways. And I'm going to call it the stop CSS. So let me first show you the screenshot. This is how Facebook displays it to the user. So I'm going to create that stop CSS, and then inside here I'm going to write some CSS rules that we are going to be using to style the text that the user will be seeing. So first of all, it has color red, so we can write our CSS here, end it with a semicolon. Then the font size, we want it to be somehow big, and the font size is going to be 65 pixels. Then we are going to put the font weight, and we are going to say bold, so we want it to be bold. And lastly, we are going to add a text stroke, and we are going to pass in a web prefix for some browser like Chrome in case it doesn't support it. So stroke, text stroke, and here we are going to say 1 pixel black. So that's it for the stop warning. So what you have to do is come here and put your console log, and here we pass in the %sign and C. So what this character stands for is for some CSS. So you are telling the browser that I'm going to pass in some stylings after this command. So you write there stop, because that's what we want the user to see, stop. Then go outside those single quotes, put a comma, and pass in your stop CSS. So you can pass in your CSS. If at all we wanted, we would write everything here, but we have stored it in a variable here. So we are going to say stop CSS. So that's the variable that we created here. If you go in our console, this is what you're seeing. So probably that's how Facebook does it. Then for the message, I'm going to write another variable here. Then I'm going to call it MSG, short for message, CSS. And for the CSS for the message, it's going to be very simple. We are just going to use some font size, and I'm going to set it to 20 pixels. Then here I'm just going to do console.log. Then add again %C, and here you can write this. You can write any custom message. This future, I'm going to try to copy Facebook. This future is intended for developers only. Then let me put a full stop there. Then we pass in our MSG CSS. So put a comma there and put and when you check in the console, that's what you're seeing. Very simple. So lastly, we can pass in a link, put a comma there, semicolon, sorry. Then another console.log, put a %C. So what you're telling that you're going to pass in some stylings, and we say C HTTPS // then Oston code Cypher. You can pass in your URL, about, for more, let's say for more information, for more info, and then you pass in the styling. So still I'm going to use this MSG CSS, and you'll be seeing this. So probably that's how Facebook does it. You can pass a lot of stylings in this. You can put a comma there, put some background color, and let's say teal, since it's my theme color on the website, and you'll be seeing this. So guys, if this tutorial was useful to you, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll always see you in the next video. Peace. Subscribe.